Hey guys, welcome to Goth It Yourself with Denise Draven. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coffin-shaped gift box. If you want to impress that special goth in your life, then this is a project for you. First, I'm starting off with some cardboard. This is actually from a box of noodles. I'm cutting off the excess cardboard. I will be using these pieces later. Next, I'm measuring out the base of the coffin. I'm kind of just guessing the size I want this to be. You can of course make this smaller or bigger depending on the size of the gift you want to put in it. Next, I'm cutting out the coffin shape I had just measured. Now I'm measuring the sides of the coffin. I measured out the length of the side of the coffin I'm working with and then measuring out the height I want it to be. I will repeat this process for each piece of the coffin. I will be repeating the process again for the lid of the gift box. Next, I'm hot gluing the pieces onto the main coffin shape. The same process is repeated with the lid as well. Next, I'm painting the inside of the box and lid a crimson red. I did several layers for the lid to cover the noodle packaging. The outside of the box is painted black. It's not necessary, but just in case the paper rips. Next, I'm using a red glitter wrapping paper for the inside of the box. I measure out each piece and tape it in. Glue or Mod Podge work better though, but tape is a quick fix. I think the red glitter looks beautiful and extra. Next, I'm using black wrapping paper I found at Joann's. I couldn't find a pure black wrapping paper anywhere. This was the closest I could find, but the end result looks beautiful. So wrapping the shape was a little difficult. I tried 2 different methods on the box and the lid. With the box, I cut out a large rectangle shape. And then I cut at every corner of the coffin so I could fold the paper over. This worked fairly well, but it left gaps in some corners, which I just filled in with paper. With the lid, I actually traced the coffin shape and measured out each individual shape. This method worked a little better, but still left some gaps in about 2 corners. Next, I'm applying some black satin ribbon to the lid, one going vertically and the other horizontally. I folded them under the lid and taped them in place. Next, I'm adding a bat stamp into the lid of the box just to be extra. I will show you how I made this bat stamp in a future video. The stamp didn't transfer on the cardboard successfully, so I just painted in the negative gaps. Next, I'm cinching the center of the ribbons with hot glue just to make it look like it's connected to the bow I will be adding. Next, I'm applying this bat-shaped bow with some hot glue on top of the ribbon. I will show you how I made the bow in my next video. And now the coffin gift box is complete. This is a perfect addition to any gift for a goth. You can use this for any occasion besides Christmas. Be sure to leave a like and comment down below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more spooky content. I hope you guys have a safe and spooky Christmas.